Yo, first order of the day is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $12 and some change, going 6 miles, 5 items.
But this the new one, it's not.
Wait, I think I did this exact order. It might have been a little different actually, but I remember the instructions and all the ice. Yeah, I've definitely done this one before.
You just toss it in there, thank you. Thank you. Perfect.
Easy enough. I did not realize how slow it was right now. It's been like 30 minutes since my last order. Very, very dead. Oh, here we go. Next order up is gonna be for McDonald's. This one's $10, going 2.5 miles.
Hello, sir. Your delivery?
Yes.
You said 3
3
BB?
BB, yep.
There you go. Thank you. Have a
Thank
good day.
you. You too. All right, today has got to be one of the slowest days I've had in months. Orders are few and far in between, and the ones that I am getting are pretty bad. They've been like $2 to $3, going like 7 miles, that type of stuff. So, got a feeling today's gonna be a short day. All right, this is the best order I've gotten in a while. So, Chick-fil-A, $7, going 5 miles. Next order up is the Human Bean. This one's $10, going 5 miles. Thank you.
Yeah, have a good one.
You too. Hello. Just need to take a quick picture, sorry. You won't be in it. There you go. Thank you. Next order up is a Chick-fil-A. This one's $11, going 6 miles. Hello.
What's the camera for? Nice. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
Have a great day.
You as well, thank you. I'm like 90% sure this person meant to order from a different location because there's one maybe 1.5 miles from where the drop-off is. Finally got my next order. This one's gonna be for Popeyes. $9, going 4.5 miles. Hello. Thank you. Going back to Popeyes for this one. It's gonna be $9, going 5 miles.
At the end, it's gonna pop off. have to send it to Anna.
For Tristan?
Yeah, you have to send it to Anna. I said to not that one, that card.
Thank you. You too. All right, well, clearly today's not the day to be out doing this stuff, so might as well just call it here, go grab some lunch. Current time is 11:30. Current total is 71, something like that. And I still have that last tip yet to come in, so it should be around 75-ish. Not great, but you know, we did what we could do. So yeah, that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.